Good day everyone. Today we are going to create a gold text. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is open the Photoshop and create new. So we do this by default. So click create. Then we go to the text tool. Type whatever text you want. I'm gonna call this one amazing. Amazing. That's it. Control Enter. It's the shortcut key. Then Control A to select that. We're going to center this one. That's it. Center. Control T to deselect. Then Control T to resize. Hold Alt and Shift key so that it will resize centrally. Whoops, something wrong. Wait a minute. That's it. And then we're going to apply an effects for this one. Just click right here, effects, blending options. We will apply bevel and emboss, inner shadow, color overlay, and drop shadow. So that's it. Okay, for bevel and emboss, we will change the depth to around 300, size to 20. Make sure you follow along. Soften is 0, angle is 90. Okay, for the altitude I'm going to change it around 35, and for the gloss contour I'm gonna choose the second one. That's it. And then for the highlight mode I choose linear dodge add. That's it. The opacity I'm gonna change this one to 64, and shadow around 60 I guess. Okay, and for the inner shadow we will change this one to around 40. I'm gonna change it to 6, and this one 10. And for the contour I'm gonna choose this one, half round. Moving to color overlay. With this one you're gonna get a specific color. FF9Z00. Click on this one and type in FF, rate small one, FF9Z00. That's it. Looks like gold. Okay, now we turn to drop shadow. I'm gonna change this one to black. This one is, I'm gonna change it to 80. Distance, make it 0. Spread 0. I'm gonna make this one around 20. So that's it. Looks gold. Click on OK. So you can see it's an amazing gold. So to make the gold more gold, we're gonna change the background to black. Click on solid color right here, change it to black, and put it down. That's it. Amazing gold. So we're done.